Okay. So coming to the label. So what was the label we have decided? Student, right? And what is the plural name? So students. And the object name is same as an object name. So record name, it should be displayed as a student name. And coming to the data type. So can you please tell me that, like, let me give this as a roll number, student ID. We have taken student ID, right? Let me go with the student ID. So student ID. So that would display is like this student ID. So what is the best data type that you can recommend from your side if I want to store the student ID data type? So all you know about data types, I think. And now I'm asking you a question like, so I want to store the student ID uh, in the database. So what kind of recommendation you are giving from your side? So someone like string, someone like character. Okay. So we so now you can't. Okay. So student. So someone is recommending like a 10 character, variable is character, and someone is recommending like string, and someone is recommended character. Okay. But when you're creating a custom object, so here there are only two data types that you can choose. There are only two data types that you can choose, and one is text and one is the auto number. So for ID, what I want to use is like instead of entering the text manually, so I want to go for an auto number. So what happens is here we will be giving in some kind of format, and it do follows that format, and what was the starting number for that we'll be giving. So automatically, it do get generate the number based on the format which we are giving here. So I have an issue like a sir, I was unable to create account and Salesforce logins. So I don't know what was the reason from your side. If you are getting any kind of error, you can paste me over the chat. I can help you. Okay, so let me give the student format here. So student ID starting number is will be 1. Okay, so you're getting this right. So this is the display format we are going to do, and this is the starting number we are going to make it. And here that is the one. And here just what I'm doing is like allow reports. Clear, everything is clear. These are the basic details that have been entered here. Please, if that is clear, just give me one because it's the first time for you people to create an object and you people to know what are all these things. And this is most important here. Why I have been chosen the auto number and what was the reason I am giving here format and for which number I am starting. So if this point is clear to you, just give me one as a response so that I can proceed for the next. Because if I go for the next, okay, like Sai is trying to tell me like, can we give a letter in it like example 2148A1 days, and we need to follow some standard buddy here. So if you can see the example, it is showing like so A dash. So I can also give like this. So if I want to give like this, let's assume that series will be going like this. So this is 23. So 23. Some series we are giving here 23 capital A 01 103. So dash. So in the flower places will be between like this. So 000. So now what happens is like this is the default format it will be taking, and after this it will be coming with a one. So hope I'm satisfying Sai. Midun Sai. Yeah, got it. So this is in a general format we need to follow. So you can give like this, like there is a standard format we need to follow that. So this is also you can give that. So let me go with the same thing. So let me check whether it's taking or not. Even I'm a little new for this thing. So clicking on the save. Yep, that got saved. Got it? So this is how you need to create an object. Finally, we have created an object. But the thing is like, we have created an object. So what was the range? So what you are asking is range in the sense like till what number it takes. So it will take a number till you have a storage in your org. Like it will take the number series till you have a storage in your org to save the record. Got it, Naveen? Okay, so we have created. So what type of object is this? We have created a custom object. In the same side, if you go for here, let me find some object for you people. So say sales application. So what is a sales? The sales is an application. Click on the sales application. Clicking on the sales application. So what are these opportunities, lead, camping, all these things. But these are the objects I was telling you people, right? In the same way, now we have created an object called, student. And is it possible to display the student object in such a way where this task, lead, files, account, contact, campaigns are there? Is it possible? Yes, that is possible. To access the object, to enter the data into the object, we need to use that object in a kind of application. So here we do have a sales application. Even we can drag that student, object to the sales application, but that is not our requirement. So what we are going to do is like, we will be creating a new application called GEC on your name of the college. So we do add that student to that GEC college. So what means the GEC here? GEC is a kind of application. GEC will be going to be a kind of application here. Okay, so these are the objects. So what we do is like quickly, we also created an application in the Salesforce. So we are done with an object in the Salesforce. Now we are going to create an application in the Salesforce. So this is done. Anyhow, we will be looking multiple applications creations. Again, we will be creating more objects in the Salesforce. And in that point, we'll make it very detailed. Okay. So now coming to the application point. So how many applications? There are there are three types of applications. So let me make it two. So as of now, just remember that there are two types of applications. So what are they? Can you please mention? What would be your guess here? So that will be standard application. And other thing is like a custom application. So what was the standard application and what was the custom application? Okay, standard application is an application which Salesforce has given directly for our business use. So someone, can you please mention me that what are standard objects, standard applications till the time we have seen? Standard applications till the time we have seen? So standard applications are something like a sales application, marketing application, service applications. Exactly, Mike, you are right. You are on the point. So all the applications which are there in these 9 dots. And what is the 9 dots called in the Salesforce? What is that colorful 9 dots called in the Salesforce? What was this? What was the name of this? So Rohit wants to know the difference between the application and the object. So object is like an entity where it stores the data of where it stores the data, and application is a kind of it's an kind of a basket where for that applications, what are the objects are useful? What are the objects? Objects in the sense, all together we are making one basket, right? In that basket, we are putting in the information of the again object. In that object, we are putting the information of the record. Something like, so application helps to hold the objects which helps for the particular business. So here you can see sales application. So sales application is holding different objects here. Why we are holding all these objects in the sales? Because these objects are helpful for the sales application to run the business properly, to run the business easily. In such a way, we are going to create a GEC application, right? So for that GEC application, what we are going to for the further extensions in the real-time cases, like first we are going to create a student object. Later we will be creating a one more object called mentor. In another case, we are creating a one more object called course. So we will extend this real-time case and we will see how the real-time application gets works.